In October 2022, the National Aviary in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, debuted the renovation of its historic wetlands habitat. Home to a wide variety of species, the wetlands habitat also houses several species that are vulnerable to extinction. To provide the perfect ambiance for the new habitat, Vitro Architectural Glass donated more than 20,000 square feet of Starfire ultra-clear glass, marking its third partnership with the National Aviary in the last 5 years.
Vitro's relationship with the National Aviary started in 2016, but I would preface that by saying that the Aviary's mission is totally aligned with Vitro's vision. It's really a natural extension of what we do. The Aviary is a benchmark and really a great institution here in Pittsburgh, and we're really happy to collaborate with them.
Being involved in community projects is one of our core values. It's community engagement, and again, it's partnership with local entities such as the Aviary. But being on a national stage based here in Pittsburgh and having a crown jewel like this in our backyard, it's very important for us to participate.
Our relationship with Vitro has been very collaborative, so we know that this glass, especially because we've used it in other projects at the National Aviary, that it's going to optimize bird health, it will optimize the plant health, and most importantly, it's going to prevent bird strikes, both inside and outside the habitat.
A portion of the donated Starfire glass is bird-friendly AviProtect glass, created in conjunction with Vitro partner Walker Glass. The wetlands features 2 AviProtect glass styles, one fully etched for a frosted look and the other etched with a grassy pattern, both of which maximize glass visibility to birds and help prevent collisions. The glass also improves energy efficiency by maximizing ultraviolet and natural light transmittance, which helps year-round to warm the habitat and provide beneficial light for plants and birds.
This specific glass is designed on a substrate we call Starfire, which gives you the best ecosystem fidelity. That's what the National Aviary needs here. No, you have an amazing new ecosystem, and with our Starfire, we bring the broadest sun spectrum. That is critical for the birds, their daily behavior, their health, the plants as well. Also, the glass brings protection in itself. On top of that, we bring our bird-friendly functionality.
This latest collaboration only strengthens the established relationship between Vitro and the Aviary. With renovations now complete, the revamped wetlands habitat will not only enhance the National Aviary's status as a world-class attraction, but also further its mission to inspire respect for nature through an appreciation of birds.